Hello, hello everyone. My name is Akshay Musore, and our today's topic name is difference between set and map. And today date is 10 May. So let's start our today's topic. Set and map are two important interfaces available in the collection framework. Both set and map interfaces are used. Both set and map interfaces are used to store collections of objects as a single unit. The main difference between set and map is the set is the unordered. Set is unordered contains different element where is a map contain the data in the key value pair. Data in the key value pair. In this section we will discuss the set and map interfaces. In the details is also see the difference between them. See the difference between them. Set interface the Java set interface set is the implemented by existing collection interface. Collection interface does not allow us to add this same element to it. Doesn't maintain the insertion order because it contains the element in a sorted way. For designing the mathematical set, we use the set interface in Java. Use the set interface in Java. Java main map interfaces. Map is another important interface available in the collection. So our today's